ain't got no money. Then I'm gonna say, oh well, I'll pay for it. I'll pay for it.
Yeah, no.
So, oh, you ain't got no get. I'll pay for it. So I can't do it.
Hey, I guess I'll take my shades off because I got to put a mask and all of that on. But I'm getting ready to go to my medical marijuana appointment. My card expires soon. So I have to do the recommended doctor recommendations. Oh, I forgot to wash my towels. God damn. This lady waiting on me. She thought I was leaving. It's like... Oh, that was like real quick. His ass don't be getting the fuck. I can't record in there, you know, so sorry. But I think I'm going to go to Whole Foods because I need some eucalyptus and I need some more. I think I'm gonna go to Aldi. Whole Foods cost too much. I'm on a budget. Thank you. Actually, I'm going to go to Publix. You know what? I'm probably gonna have to go to more than one place. Just trying not to. But Publix has the Gardein BOGO. And I know I said I wasn't gonna be eating that stuff, but I don't do it all the time. But I'm trying to do some meal prepping this week, and I actually got like a lot of places I need to go. Go to Publix. So I got these sea salt bristle chips. I am so hungry. I had a smoothie this morning. Good and wore off. And baby, I'm hungry. Walking on into Publix. I need to cook, so I'm gonna probably just make me a little cheeseburger when I get home and call it a day. What's up, y'all? I am back. So I had to go and do all that stuff, you know, go to all those different stores, and Troy trying to keep his head down or whatever. So I'm making us some burgers. He gonna eat these burgers a day, bitch. Cause that's what I said. So Publix had these on sale, huh? Well, I think most of their Gardein products, certain ones, select products was on sale. And I want to try these. I'm in this vegan soul food group, and they talk about different like faux meats and stuff like that. This one has water, textured pea protein, coconut oil, textured wheat protein, gluten, flour, methylcellulose. I've seen a lot of people use that. Natural flavors, barley mark extract, garlic powder, salt, yeast extract, onion powder, black powder, beet juice for color, and lactic acid. So that is it. And that's hamburger seasoning I got on top of there. So I'm gonna flip these over and then I'm gonna season the other side. This one is mine. The vegan cheese takes a little while to melt. And then this one is Troy's. This is how I got us fixed up over here. Some baby spring mix, ketchup, pickles, mustard, mayo. Same thing on mine.
We did that, dog. It's good. Look at you showing out and shit.
All right, y'all. So this is the end. I will chat with y'all later. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Ring that bell to get notified for future notifications. Love you guys so very much. I'll see you again for the next video.